8006 aluminium foil with high strength, good formability and ductility, and good corrosion resistance. 8006 aluminum foil is a special aluminum alloy for container foil products. Mingtai 8006 aluminium foil adopts hot rolling method and its tensile strength is between 123 to 135 MPa. 8006 aluminum foil product reaches the brushing water grade A. The surface is very flat, clean, and free of oil. Mingtai 8006 aluminium foil is especially suitable for aerospace wrinkle-free lunch boxes. After stamping, the edges could be free of wrinkles and the appearance is smooth and smooth. Top polishing technology guarantees good luster and smooth surface. Advanced cutting line to provide a wide range of specifications. Providing eco-friendly products.